start picking them up.
Woo!
Ocean gold, baby.
One cast. Now show them the creek that we're throwing in.
This is nothing here, man. It's just about 10 feet, 15 feet wide. Maybe
we're about to get another pancake over here.
Deep.
Should load up again right there. I always give it that up pop.
Pop them out the mud.
And I think we loaded up, boys.
Oh yeah. See all the miles room. Oh shoot, one wasn't even in there. There's one right here still too. Oh my gosh, yo. These are great net pulls.
I'm talking like 30 a net. Dope.
Oh, a little suicide jumper. Little menhaden.
Anything like that
Shad.
size? Yeah, I know. I caught a shad in here the other week. When that fresh water gets pushed up in here, you gotta think they come out of it.
Well, y'all, you get the picture. We're gonna get a couple more of these. We'll see in a little bit during daylight when it's time to fish.
Big sheepshead.
Hold on, Brady, hold on. Get his head in the water.
Keep his head down.
Give me his line.
Keep up. That's on your rod. I literally, Joey, I had it just sitting straight down. Like
on my rod?
Yeah,
Yes.
no, like I reeled it up and I put a new shrimp down.
Yeah, all I saw was
Didn't like wasn't bending or nothing. It was just. I was like,
Dude, I hooked him through the fucking. I hooked him through the tail, the shrimp through the tail, and I let it hit the bottom, and
like a 2 or 3 pound sheepshead, bro. He engulfed it.
Brady said, "Fish on, fish on."
Fish, bro.
All right, new hook. All right. I choked it. We're keeping them if you just want to. Good. Like, now he got razor sharp gills.
Does he?
Yeah. Hold them like from right here. Like get them from the side and just pinch them.
Take this rope.
Watch your fingers. Just try to use like one finger.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Dude,
sheepshead.
and what happened? I literally just dropped a bait down right here and just walked away from it. And Brady, being the smart one he is seen it get hit. And lo and behold, like a 2.5, 3 pound sheepshead. That's what's up. So we're re-rigging after Brady caught that big sheepshead. Had to get a new hook on it. A little short shake J hook. That's all you need. Sheepshead. Flip that thing. Nicer. Crab. Yep. Yep. All day. Love sheepshead fishing. Wrap your hook around the other one. Yeah. Alright, let's put him in this box.
Yeah, sure. Should I bleed this one too?
I would. And then put them in that box. Yeah. Good job, Joey.
Thank you. Sorry, I thought you saw me. I would have called your name sooner.
Oh no, I didn't
He
see.
was about to wrap me under that piling, so I fucking yanked him out of there.
Oh, dude, they're taking it just like a sheep's head up under the pylon, and I actually got pressure on that one. He just spit it. Yeah, he'll throw back.
What do you, 2 cranks off the bottom?
Yep. And you see how he hit it so light? He just loads it up.
Yeah, that's how the black drum.
Mm-hmm. Pretty redfish. I got it all on camera too. The whole bite and everything.
Dude, nice.
I had the whole thing rolling. He's probably 15, 16 inches. Definitely not a keeper. Live shrimp.
Loaded up on his ass.
All right, let's get a little healthy release on this guy. Get him. Please, please. What is it? That's a red. It might be a red. Please, please, please. Red. Alright, that'll be your
Oh my god, big black drum.
sheepshead, dude.
No, big black drum.
Joey, Joey, Joey. Come around if you have to. Come around. Yeah, I'm filming. Come on, Joey, Joey, come on. Oh, shit. Don't let him get up that way. And then get him away from this pole. Got it good.
Is that a net?
No. It's a baseball cap. He's hooked really good.
He doesn't have any spot stripes left, dude. He's huge. Holy.
Dude, I just had to hug him. Joey.
Woo! Holy shit. Let me hold him up for this fucking camera.
Yeah, other way, other way. No, it's a big black drum.
Black drum, dude.
I thought it was a sheepshead. Dude, that's six. When you gonna? I'm gonna go to the pier house. I want to weigh.
6 pounds. He's 8 pounds, dude.
I want to weigh. Dude, Joey. It's black drum.
Go. Oh, you let it go right then, dude.
Dude, that was a bullshit piece of bait too.
Got the camera on?
Yep.
Sheepshead, baby. What are you fighting? Black drum, baby! The black drum are moving in, dude. It's gonna be a flopper, I think.
Hold on. I don't know how good he's hooked. I don't know.
I got the fish. You ready, Cole?
Yep. Nice. 2 keepers.
I'm getting my bait back out.
All right. Dude, T-minus 30 seconds to land that fish. You tell me which one's bigger. Mine's a solid.
This thing might be 10 pounds, dude.
Mine's a solid 16, 17 incher, and his is.
Fish. Put your finger right where mine is.
Yeah, that's a good fish. It's a good fish.
He fought, bro. Oh, that was an awesome bite.
You got him. Don't, easy.
Let him get over there. No, don't worry about me, dude. Fucking horse's ass.
Yeah, get him in the slip. Get him in the
Get in
slip.
there. Don't let him get in there.
Good fish. Good.
Watch this. Don't come over the bar. Stay right here.
You're good. You're
Look
good.
back around.
No, you're good. You're good.
Nice.
Nice drum.
Hold on, Brady. No more line. Dude,
All right, yo, Joe, you grab him. Let me film it.
All right. Let's down a little bit.
Yeah, you got him in the death rolls right here.
Let him wear him.
Yeah, let him go. Hell yeah. And just scoop him, Joey, if you have to, with your hands. Yeah, like when he gets like that, just scoop him. Brady's first big drum. Just stacking meat today, boys. Stacking meat. Dude, hell yeah. All right, well,
Brady's on the fucking house. Get your ass over there. Oh! I don't know.
he's close, man. Dude, I think he's keep. Yeah, he's keeper. He's keeper.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Dude, look at him. He's long, bro.
I don't know.
Dude, he's keeper. Yeah, just get a picture and we'll let him go. Fucking ticket.
Me holding with it.
Perfect.
Catch picture?
Just let him come around if he can. I got you, Brady. I'm coming.
They gotta be 18.
Yeah. Here, get the. I just gotta get my rod before it goes in the water. Nice drive. Show that spot off. Yeah. Good fish. Sheepshead. That was through the tail. Oh, he's dead anyways. He swallowed this shit. Oh yeah. In the box.
That piling, reel down on him. There you go. Alright. He's good.
Big black or red, or sheepshead, or flounder.
I don't think it's a flounder. Ah, nice black drum.
Yeah, let him get a couple more rolls. Let him get a few more rolls out of him. He hit it on the slack.
Got a big old head.
Got him, Joe? Nice. Solid fish. Yeah. Probably another. If I didn't get a hold of him, he would have been gone way under the dock. Yeah. This will be our smallest one.
That was bigger than those. That's a nice drum.
Yeah.
Here, Coke.
Good pile. Good pile. 4 keeper black drum, 3 keeper sheepshead, plus everything we did yesterday and last night. So if you like this video so far, we might have a little more in store if we get lucky, but long story short, we killed it. Brady over here caught his first red drum, or biggest red drum, first sheepshead, keeper black drum, biggest black drum. Oh man, great day. And he caught the flounder last night, so 24 hours for Brady has done it pretty good. Peace, see you later. So far, not a bad haul. We got some sheepshead, black drum, trout, flounder. All we're missing is the red drum. Hopefully we can get it done today. That would be the goal. If you like what you're seeing, drop the thumbs up, hit the bell, subscribe, the usual YouTube deal. And if you like this and you want to see more,
Look out for the poo-poo. A lot of poo-poo back here.
Joey, what do you got to do if you like this shit?